Basilan or Insul.
But for the record, sir, ano talaga yung real score this one?
Ano yung real score? What do you mean real score? We suffered 2 kills and 29 wounded. Although, yung 22 doon, ano lang, superficial.
There were reports from the other side of the MILF na may natamaan ng MILF, particularly in Basilan.
Oh, we were running after the ASG. Yung MILF, kinausap sila through our mechanisms that we are going to conduct law enforcement operation, and they supported that. Minsan meron silang mga members that they can na may mga kamag-anak ko. They probably join in their individual capacity, not as MILF.
So it was clear
as relatives. Nag-uusap yung MILF at AFP, so it's very clear.
Sir, how do you find it na hindi pa rin nila ma-define yung participation ng MILF kung hanggang lang saan lang sila?
There is no participation of MILF sa
members, individual
members. May usapan tayo with the MILF and meron tayong mechanisms and it's working. Nakausap natin yung mga commanders sila during the they agreed to support the operation. Ngayon, alam mo naman natin yung MILF, irregular force yan eh. It's so hard to really control their people. Minsan, merong kamag-anak yung ASG, sumasama in their individual capacities. Ganun na nangyari. Not as MILF.
Not as an organization.
Not as an organization. Very clear yun na may usapan tayo with the MILF and they're very cooperative in this regard.
So, pero operations sir sa Basilan and Sulu, doesn't it put Zamboanga City into a danger of diversionary or sympathetic attacks? Ano yung directive mo sir?
Nandito naman yung West Mincon to address that issue. As to my directive now, I don't issue directives through the media. Sorry.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Dumating daw yung conservation authorities to help the resolve.
Thank you.